Hello, my friends. How are you today? Welcome to my new collection. Today, I see you beautiful ring and one necklace. Are you ready? Let's go with me and please like, subscribe, and share this video for friends. Let's go with me, my friend. Now look at ring number one. Wow, so beautiful. I love it. The design and the diamond. So special and the color is very nice. And this brilliant is very nice design in this ring. Wow, I love it. Look another photo for this ring. Look, it's very beautiful design ring. Wow, look at the brilliance. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look. And I think the young woman like this design because it's very specially and suitable for young woman or mom like and wife. And wife, I think love this ring. Thank you for watching ring number one. Let's go and see another rings. Now look at this ring. This ring is very beautiful design and the color is very nice. I love it. This color and I think it's very okay for hand. Just 3 seconds. Imagine in your hand. One, two, three. Wow, it's very nice. I love it. This ring. I love it. Look, the diamond. The diamond in the ring is especially and I think the young woman like this design or other women like this design. Look, another picture. I love it. Look, the brilliant design and this design or this design. It's very nice and beautiful face in the hand. I think the young woman or grandma, no, wife, yes, wife, and girlfriend like this design and suitable for Valentine's Day or other dates. Now look at my favorite ring. I love this ring because the design is very specially and I think the hand is very luxury, it's not bad. I love it, this brilliant and this brilliant. It's very specially designed and I think the young woman or other women like this design. And what are you think? All the women like this design or no? Please write me in the comments. And look at another picture for this ring. It's very beautiful face in the hand. Just 3 seconds, imagine in your hand. One, two, three. Wow, it's very beautiful, I think. And other women's, just look your hands. Now look at this necklace. It's very beautiful, unique. Look, one, two, three, four, and blah, and diamond in this necklace. So beautiful. I love it, this diamond. But I say in the others video in my channel, I don't like this chain because I think it's not very beautiful in the neck. Just 3 seconds. Just this chain, imagine in your neck. One, two, three. Not very beautiful and it's a beautiful design in the neck. And what are things okay? This chain in the neck or no? Please write me in the comment. And suitable for young woman and wife and mom is not okay for grandma. Thank you for watching this picture. Now look at my favorite ring. I think it's very beautiful for ring number two in the hand. Back ring is okay. I think it's not bad. It's very okay. I love it, but just okay for back ring. Is not one ring. The hand is not okay. Or for our first finger. This ring is very beautiful face, I think. And what I think is okay for first finger or back ring. Please write me in the comments. And I think the young woman, mother, wife, or grandma like this design because it's very special and very diamond in this ring. Now look at this ring. This ring is especially is not bad and very simple and is not very luxury, is not very beautiful design. I don't like this design, but I think many women like this design because the many women think is very beautiful in the hand, but I don't think in the hand is very specially and is not okay. And what I think is okay in the hand or no? Please write me in the comment, and I think suitable for young woman because your wife or mom, wife yes, no, sorry, or mom or grandma don't like this design. Now look at this ring. I think it's not okay in the hand, but the few women like this design. I don't like it. What design? It's not luxury, it's not specially in the hand, but this ring in the hand, the other women don't like this ring in the hand, I think, and don't like look your hand. And what I think is beautiful in the hand or no, please write me in the comment. And I think suitable just for mom or grandma, just is not okay for young lady or wife. Thank you my friend for watching this ring and this collection. I love you all. See you tomorrow. Please like, subscribe and share this video for friends. And watch others video in my channel because I think you are enjoy all of my collection. I love you. Goodbye.